Hey everybody, welcome along to another cooking video, and this time if you like Mexican food, well, you're gonna love this video because I'm gonna cook up a very fast dish actually. If you take away the 20 minutes in the oven that it is cooking, it is a very fast dish. This is gonna be vegan tacos. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and as always the ingredients are below. Now I'm just going to go through the ingredients with you, and as you can see, it is so colourful. Okay, now let me go through the ingredients first, and this is the seasoning. It is oregano, it is paprika, and lots more. The ingredients first will be below in the information section. Now, you've got your sweet corn, your salsa, which the ingredients will be below in the information section. The guacamole, the ingredients for that will be below in the information section. This is beautiful marinated tofu. This is rapeseed oil. And a really popular Mexican ingredient, refried beans. And of course, your taco shells. And a mix of cabbage, carrots, asparagus, corn, and the ingredients for that will be also below in the information section. So, as always, we'll go into my favourite part, and that is the actual making of this beautiful meal. And as I said, it is a very fast meal. Take away the 20 minutes in the oven when you can be relaxing, just looking forward to get right into it while that is doing in the oven. But actually making it only takes probably only 5 minutes. So let's get right into it right now. Now, as you can see what colourful ingredients you have for these vegan tacos, and believe me, these are bursting with flavour also, as well as bursting with colour. So let's get right into it, and then let's get into my favourite part, which is tasting it. Okay, let's get right into this, and first things first, and that is, yes, the oven is on, and the rapeseed oil. Now you can use olive oil maybe, or probably avocado oil, or whichever is your preferred oil, but today for this I'm using rapeseed oil. Now I'm just going to pour that in there, and I'm actually going to get another bit because there is a lot of ingredients, so we do want a good bit of it in there. Now just wait a couple of minutes till this heat up, and then we're going to put in these lovely colourful ingredients, and then we're on our way to making beautiful, lovely, tasty vegan tacos. Okay guys, now as you might have noticed, I get really excited when I'm cooking videos because I just love the eating part, but don't get me wrong, I love the cooking part too. But what I'm getting at is I missed out in an ingredients back at the table. And that ingredient is these beautiful gherkins. The gherkins give it a lovely, sweet, tangy flavour. So that's that. Now I'm going to put these into the pan, and we're going to get cooking these vegan tacos. Because yes, I can. This style of food is Mexican. Oh, what the hell? I'm going to have right in my kitchen a Taco Bell. Just thought I'd kick a little freestyle there in the middle of it. So let's get into it, shall we? I'll just put on the extractor because we're going to get a bit of smoke from these. And let's get right to it. I'm going to put in, the sweet corn. As you can hear that, it is pretty hot, just like this dish, but it's not too spicy, not too hot. I'm going to put in the gherkins. And I'm going to put in the beautiful marinated tofu. Now this gives it a lovely flavour. It is like a substitute to meat for the vegan taco, so I'm going to just put in that. And the ingredients, and the rest is actually after the cooking. So this is what we're gonna cook right here, and trust me, you would nearly need a wok for this. It is absolutely thronged. As you can see, the frying pan is way high, so I'm just gonna do this here. We're gonna, it's nearly come out over the top. I hadn't expected it to be this full, but that's what you get when you have a big appetite, I guess. So I'm just going to turn these here. As you can see, the beautiful colours, absolutely gorgeous. And the smell, oh my god, the smell is luscious. So I'm just going to put it up a bit more there now. And we're going to let this cook a bit. And the next step is to put the tacos in the oven. Okay, you get the tacos. I'm going to open the oven, put them right in there and put it up to about 180. It depends if you have a fan-assisted oven. If you don't, you maybe can put up to 200. And now it's the waiting game. Okay everybody, this is simmering away very nicely, and 20 minutes tacos in the oven, then you take them out, and then you put the ingredients into the tacos, you add your salsa, and you add your guacamole, and your seasoning, and you have beautiful vegan tacos. So, it should take just another couple of minutes for this to do, and we'll just check the oven, see how the tacos are doing. They're doing great. The tacos are done lovely and crispy. Now they are hot, so I will warn you that, and I'm going to get a plate and okay, here's the plate, and I'm going to get the tacos, and I'm going to put them here on the plate. I'm going to get rid of the dish. Now let me bring this up closer to you so you can see what's happening. Okay, I'm going to get the mix. The smell is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to pour this mix right in to each shell. I'll just get something to, the tablecloth to put the frying pan. And then I'm going to gently pour in the ingredients to each taco shell. I'll turn around there to the side so you can see what's going on. Just pour into each taco shell. There's a lovely bit of corn there. And if you have something left over, as I always say in my cooking videos, you can always use it for next time. Even another meal altogether, because some ingredients would overlap into a totally different dish. The same ingredients, I mean. It looks like I will have some of the mix left over, but don't you worry, that'll be eaten soon enough. Okay. That is full up to the brim, and now this is the fun part. We are going to put the guacamole, the salsa and the seasoning and the cheese on it, and then it's time to taste it. I'm really looking forward to this. Let's get a spoon. And I'm going to get the seasoning and I'm going to mix it in with the salsa. Just mix it like this. As you can see, the seasoning mixes well with the salsa. You mix it all until you get the salsa looking like it was again before you put the seasoning in. Then you pour your salsa over each taco, as you can see what I'm doing here now. Now the taco will be very refreshing, cool with the hot taco. The salsa will be cool on top of the hot taco, giving it a lovely contrast. Be careful of them collapsing like that there. Anyway, won't worry in 2 minutes because I'll be eating them. So that's all the salsa on top of the taco shells. And now the guacamole. We'll get another spoon for the guacamole. Excuse me. Now, we'll load the guacamole on there. Load a little bit of guacamole onto each one. We're nearly there, everyone. This is getting really, really exciting because I'm really looking forward to taste these ones. And I'll be really excited to know how ye get on if ye try it yourself. And if you do, be sure to let me know. Now this is the fun part, the last bit. Put the cheese on each taco. So let's taste these, everyone. One of my favourite parts of the video. And as you can see, it looks really, really nice. So let's... Absolutely beautiful. I would definitely recommend you to do these and let me know how you got on. The flavour is absolutely divine and everything complements each other, and the crispiness of the taco mixed with the coolness of the salsa sauce and the cheese. As I said, it all complements each other. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon. Bye.